Your body doesn't warn you when your arteries are clogging. No pain, no alarm. Then one day, a heart attack strikes without warning. This happens to millions over 60 every year. But here's what cardiologists rarely tell you. Upfront, the food you eat today determines whether your arteries stay clear or slowly choke off blood flow to your heart. I'm going to show you 7 foods that actually clean your arteries. Real scientific evidence from clinical trials, not marketing hype. These foods lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. You can buy them at any grocery store. Garlic is first. When you crush a clove, it releases allicin, a compound that gets into your bloodstream and goes to work. Studies from the American Heart Association show that eating garlic daily for 3 months drops LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15%. That's the bad cholesterol that sticks to artery walls and hardens into plaque. Take 1 or 2 fresh cloves daily. Crush them and wait 10 minutes before eating. This activates the allicin. You can eat it raw or add it to cooked food. Just don't overcook it. Warning: garlic thins your blood. If you're taking warfarin, aspirin, or other blood thinners, check with your doctor first. Next is oatmeal. Switch your breakfast to oatmeal and you'll clean your arteries while you eat. Oats contain beta-glucan, a fiber that grabs cholesterol in your intestines and eliminates it as waste before it enters your bloodstream. The Journal of Nutrition published a study where people ate 1 cup of oatmeal daily for 8 weeks. Their LDL cholesterol dropped 5 to 10%. Steel-cut oats or rolled oats work best. Skip the instant packets loaded with sugar. Add cinnamon for blood sugar control, walnuts for omega-3s, and blueberries for antioxidants. If you're rushed in the morning, try overnight oats. Mix oats with milk the night before, add berries and nuts, refrigerate. And breakfast is ready when you wake up. Olive oil is the Mediterranean secret. People in Greece, Italy, and Spain have significantly lower rates of heart disease. Researchers conducted the PREDIMED study with over 7,000 adults for 5 years. Those who consumed 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily had 30% fewer heart attacks and strokes. The monounsaturated fats and polyphenols stop LDL cholesterol from oxidizing. Oxidized LDL burrows into artery walls and triggers plaque formation. Olive oil prevents this and raises your HDL cholesterol, which removes plaque from arteries. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Drizzle it over salads and vegetables. Cook with it at low to medium heat, but don't let it smoke. When shopping, look for extra virgin in dark glass bottles. Light degrades the oil. Fatty fish comes next. Frozen salmon is just as healthy as fresh, sometimes better. It's frozen within hours of being caught, locking in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s lower triglycerides by up to 30%. Thin the blood naturally, reduce inflammation, and keep artery walls smooth. The American Heart Association concluded that eating fatty fish twice weekly reduces heart attack risk by 36%. Aim for a palm-sized portion twice a week. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, or herring all work. Grill, bake, or poach them. Avoid deep frying. If fresh fish is expensive, buy frozen or canned. Just choose varieties packed in water or olive oil, not soybean oil. Worried about mercury? Stick to smaller fish like sardines and anchovies. They contain minimal mercury. Turmeric is often underestimated. This bright yellow spice contains curcumin, one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation causes most arterial damage. It weakens blood vessel walls and accelerates plaque formation. Curcumin improves endothelial function, the inner lining of your arteries. When this works properly, blood vessels dilate smoothly. Blood flows freely, and clots don't form. Here's the catch: your body barely absorbs curcumin alone. But combine turmeric with black pepper and absorption increases by 2,000%. The piperine in black pepper unlocks curcumin's power. Also, curcumin is fat-soluble, so take it with olive oil or milk. Try this: warm a cup of milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper, then stir in honey. Drink this golden milk before bed. You can also add turmeric to eggs, rice, soups, or smoothies. Just remember the pepper. Caution: if you have gallstones, talk to your doctor first. Berries pack enormous power. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that neutralize free radicals damaging artery walls. They lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol ratios, and stop plaque formation. Harvard Medical School followed over 90,000 women for 18 years. Women who ate berries 3 times weekly had 34% fewer heart attacks. That's a 1/3 reduction from eating berries regularly. Eat 1 cup daily. Fresh berries are great, but frozen berries are just as nutritious and cheaper. They're picked at peak ripeness and frozen immediately. Mix them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, stir them into yogurt, or eat them as snacks. Even diabetics can enjoy them because they won't spike blood sugar. Finally, dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are loaded with dietary nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide, a molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and widen. This improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and reduces workload on your heart. Research in the journal Hypertension found that 1 cup of nitrate-rich vegetables daily lowered blood pressure by 4 to 5 points. Over years, this dramatically cuts stroke and heart disease risk. Aim for 2 to 3 cups daily. Eat them in salads with olive oil, sauté them with garlic, add them to omelets. Toss them into soups or blend them into smoothies with berries. If you're new to leafy greens, start with mild spinach. Gradually try kale and arugula. One note if you have thyroid problems. Lightly cook cruciferous vegetables like kale to reduce goitrogens. Here's the reality: these 7 foods won't undo decades of damage overnight. But if you eat them consistently for 2 to 3 months, you'll see measurable changes. Lower LDL cholesterol, lower triglycerides, better blood pressure. Those improvements mean a healthier heart and a longer life. Food alone isn't enough. Walk 30 minutes most days, sleep 7 to 8 hours, quit smoking, manage stress, and drink water. If you're taking medication for blood pressure, diabetes, or cholesterol, keep taking it. These foods support your treatment, they don't replace it. Start simple. This week, add oatmeal to breakfast. Next week, use olive oil. The week after, buy frozen salmon. Build these habits slowly. Within a month, eating this way will feel natural. You don't need expensive superfoods or supplements. You need real food that humans have been eating for thousands of years. Your arteries can heal. Your heart can get stronger. Start today.